Hello guys, my name is Ola. Yeah, we are from Creativity Hub, KOT Creativity Hub. So we're about to show you a simple way to creating a mask at home, face mask. Okay, since people are not sure which mask to buy, of course you can make a simple mask by yourself at home. All you need is what, a thread, and you need the thread and what, the needle, and that's all you need. So we're going to put you through the process one after the other. Just follow as we do. We're going to make in different styles, then you choose anyone that is comfortable for you and apply the simple method at home. Okay, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you everybody. Yeah guys, this is my shirt. Okay, I've used this some maybe once or twice, but yes, I want to do a simple practical, so I want you guys to pay attention. See what I'm doing. I'm gonna spread out the shirt. Then you need something that can form a 25-meter circle. Okay, this is my plate. I love it so much, so I'm gonna use it. I place it on it. You can get a pencil or a marker, then you form a what, you draw a circle round this. Okay, it's a very simple thing. Okay, here, see that I just formed the circle. Then the next thing to do is to use my scissors. Where's our scissors? Yes, I'll pause and play. Smile. Can be bigger than this. The next thing to do is to use your scissors. It can be bigger than this. Then what you're gonna do is to cut this thing through. Okay, form the shape of the circle. Form the shape of the circle. Very easy. Don't worry, I'm a first timer too, but I've done some and it makes sense, so I want you guys to witness how I gotta do it. Form the circle, round it. Baby, are you covering it? Form a circle round. Make sure you get a better scissors. The small one, it's not that easy to handle. Don't worry, I'll cut it away when I'm doing my editing. So cut it round like I'm doing. Make sure your hand is steady. Make sure your hand is steady. Follow the circle. Yeah. Now after you've done it this way, then cut. Then fold it again like this. Do you see that? You fold it again like this. Then you cut this into two. Okay? Once you fold it, here is open, here is open. Then you cut this side into two. Like this. So when you're done cutting this way, you pick it up like this. Then you see this 2O by this side, then you have to cut it too. Make sure your hand is straight. You cut it this way. Yeah, after you cut, okay, you are going to separate the whole thing. Separate this way. Okay, just the cut separate this way. then separate this way. Okay, we're going to put this one aside, then take these ones together. Okay, the same thing is going to be applicable to this one. We're going to take it together this way. Okay, so we are going to sew this place, then we sew this place. Don't forget, we sew this place, we sew this place. So we want to make a double layer marks. Okay, so let's get ahead. If you're following this step, make sure you like the tutorial and subscribe and share as well to your friend. So you're going to start sewing this way. Make sure you have a tiny needle or any needle that can be comfortable for you. Smart, sharp, comfortable. Remove. Yes. They're going to be sewing around. Make sure you have a tiny hole around it. Okay. Be careful with the needle. Sew it round. Sew it round. Gradually, gradually.
Tell them that they have to do tiny stitches.
You have to make it as tiny stitches, very tiny, so that there won't be too much gap between them. Okay, so make sure it's a very tiny stitches. Okay, you don't have to train, you don't have to learn from anywhere. It's normal way we stitch with our needle and thread, but make sure it's a tiny stitch. Okay, then you continue like that gradually. You pull it out. See that? This is what I'm doing. Make sure it's tiny, very tiny and smooth. Okay, then you continue to the end. You continue to the end. Make sure it's tiny. See that? So we've done that successfully. Okay, I'm going to tighten it at this edge. It's very easy, just like that, and that's it. So we are done with this one. Okay, so you are going to do the other side like that too. This other one you are going to do the same thing. You are going to sew around right here. Okay, okay, so when you open this one, okay, it looks this way. Then the second one, make sure it's the opposite side that you sew. Okay, that you sew rather. Then all you have to do is what? Open this and put this inside, right inside of this. So why this one will be facing outside? Okay, so when you play this one in, then all you have to do is hold it here and hold it right here, so that you are having something like this. Okay, hold it right here. So all what we are going to do right now is to sew from this side to 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 sew the whole part. But you watch me as I'm going to do it, because I'm going to sew this whole part, then leave a space for here for us to turn it. Okay, so watch me. Make sure you form something like this, and if you have done that, yes, we are good to go. Okay, so you are going to start sewing from any edge, from any angle. So I'm going to start from this place. Okay, camera, please, can you come closer? So we are going to start from this place. I'm kind of careful with this needle. Okay, then you make sure there's no too much hole in the middle. You closely join it together, tiny stitches. Then you go on and on, step by step like that. It's quite easy, but you must be careful too as well, so you don't injure yourself. But it's quite easy. See that? You keep doing that, small stitches, small stitch. You continue over and over again, over and over again, over and over again. See that? And make sure you have a straight end to make it beautiful. Okay, so you continue the sewing process gradually like that. You continue gradually like that. If you have a sewing machine at home, instead of using hand, you can sew it all through. Yes, that's gonna be a plus to you, okay? Yeah, instead of using hand, you can sew it all through. So I'm going to stop right here because I want to leave a space so that I can pull it out. I'm going to lock the space. I'm going to lock this one tight. I'm going to make it tight.
No, it's not.
So you can do the same thing as well. Okay. Then you start from this edge again. We are going to sew it all through and meet at this point, okay? You continue to stitch. Okay. If your needle is exhausted, make sure you pinch it out or you punch it out. Okay, like this. Then continue again. Don't forget we are weaving through. This is a double surfaced mask. It's very protected or protective. Can protect you against the coronavirus and other viruses, even dust and all that. So it's a double surface mask, homemade. And this is a video for you guys to practice. Okay guys, so if you have successfully sewn everything from one point to this edge, leaving this opening, then we have gotten to the outcome of what we're trying to do. So the next thing is to use a pencil or whatever it is you can get to push this in, push this one in. See what? You're going to open this like this a little bit. So we are pushing this particular spot. We are pushing it right to this hole like this. Okay, so I guess you guys should be able to do that. We are turning it inside out. Yes, nice one. So this is the exact thing we want to do. Do you see that? Isn't it beautiful? Like this. See that? So we are going to form our handle here to be able to fix it. So maybe you can pause it. So guys, get your iron to smoothen it. Okay, to smoothen your fabrics. Just to make it more simple, smooth, and attractive. That's the essence of doing all this. Okay. Yeah, this is COVID-19 for real. Now the next thing is to attach this handle that you put to your hair. So I've gotten this too. So get something like this. Okay, you can use the piece of your cloth to form it too as well, but I have this already, so from my previous mark, so I'm going to use it again. So all you have to do now is to fold this once like this and turn it in like this. See this? Make sure there's a slight hole whereby you can put your you see that hole now? Yes. Then use your needle to hold it together. Use a needle to hold it together. See that? Make sure it is well done. Okay, see that? You can double it if you want to make it more better. You can double the sewing to make it more okay. Sorry there. Sorry, cameraman. So you're going to do the same thing to this one. Fold it in once, fold it in twice. So there'll be a hole here to the second part, then you sew it together. Can be a little bit tougher or thicker, but it has a little prayer I need to form it. Yeah. So you are going to sew this part together too. Make sure it's neat. Gradually. Don't forget, this is homemade mask, and it's well trusted and protected. To put my elastic. Okay, if you don't have one, you can cut a piece of your cloth and use it, but because I have this one, I'm going to use it. I'm using my needle to pass it through because it's tiny now, so my hand cannot pick through. But if you have a safety pin, it will be faster, so you can make use of it. So now I've pulled this one in, so all you have to do is to knot these two together. Anyhow you feel you can do it. Okay, knot it together and adjust it well. Now see what I'm going to do. I'm going to tuck this side inside the whole part to cover it and make it look neater. So that's the secret. Okay, you see that? It's right there. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just get something like this, put it in the middle like this, and use it to pull it out. You understand? So if you have a safety pin too, you can use it as well. So either way. So when you are done pulling this ribbon, this elastic in, then you tie it at the edge, whichever way you can tie. But this is how I turn my own. Okay, you tuck it in, then you draw it. So when you are done, you pull it and hide it inside the O. You hide it inside what? The O, and then you're done with your face mask. You shall put your face mask.